Setting up the perfect van build is kind of a process. In fact, the more I do it, the more I realize that it takes time. Over the years, I've been looking for the perfect solution for a mattress, and I think I finally found it. It's a relatively inexpensive, certified pure mattress made by Milliard. And today I'm going to walk you through my thought process, tell you what a good mattress means in my book, and hopefully help you make a good decision. Here we go. Over the years, I've tried many different mattresses. I've tried thick ones and thin ones, memory foam, air mattresses, and I've come to the conclusion that it really doesn't matter what you sleep on as long as you're comfortable. I recently found a company on Amazon called Milliard. They make all sorts of mattresses in different shapes and sizes. They range from mattresses that are 4 inches thick to, I believe, 8 inches thick, maybe even more. These mattresses range in price from about $150 to just under $300. They're extremely comfortable. They fold up, they're tri-fold or more, so they're very easy to store when you're not using them, and I think they make for the perfect van mattress. Currently, my bed setup is a 3-panel bed system, and then you can see it's just super simple. I got a mattress, some sheets, a quilt, super simple and very comfortable. Both these mattresses are sold on Amazon. The white mattress is a full. They make them in various sizes. It doesn't have to be a full. It's a tri-folding mattress that's 4 inches thick. And what I like about this mattress in particular is that it's very comfortable to sleep on and it's pretty minimal. So when I'm driving down the road, I can still see out my back windows a little bit, which is nice because then I can see who's behind me. I don't have blind spots. What else can you ask for? I also like the fact that it folds up in 3 pieces because sometimes I don't want to have my bed set up. I want to be able to take everything out easily and store it or just move it to the side. This mattress brand also makes a little cover. So should you want to store your mattress all together, you can put your mattress in a nice cover, stick it in the closet, stick it under your seat somewhere, and then it's out of the way. Additionally, these mattresses all have removable covers, which is nice because that means you can take them off, machine wash them, and then put them back on and sleep on a clean bed. They seem to be durable. I think they're gonna last a while. And if you're a health nut like me, you'll be happy to know that each of the Milliard mattresses discussed in this video, they're CertiPure, which means that the mattresses are made without ozone depleters. They don't have any sort of nasty flame retardants in them, no mercury, no lead, no heavy metals. They're made without formaldehyde, and so they're much healthier to sleep on. I like my beds firm, so I went with the 4-inch thick. If you like it a little softer, they make a 6-inch thick. I believe they make an 8 and even a 10-inch thick mattress. Again, I want the ability to see out my back windows, so for me, it's important to go thinner and then have more visibility. The second mattress I got is also a Milliard. It's the dark blue mattress. They call it a tri-fold, but really it folds in a bunch of different pieces. This is a queen size. They also make these in various other sizes. I wasn't quite sure which width I needed for the van. I wasn't sure if it was a queen or a full, so I got both. And the nice thing about this mattress in particular is it folds up like a sofa. So if you're ever chilling outside or you want to chill in your van, you can fold it up and now you have essentially a couch to sit on. I'm going to keep both of them because this will enable me to have like a bunk bed system. So whereas before I could only sleep 2, now I can sleep 4. So if my friends and I go on a surf trip, I can accommodate them now. The other thing that's kind of unique about this mattress is since it folds up and is flexible in many different ways, you can actually hang off one of the mattress chunks in a gap, if you have a gap in your Sprinter van, and then that sort of gives you like an armrest at night. Your arm's not hanging off the side of the bed. So this video is going to be quick and to the point. I found 2 mattresses. I love them. They're made by Milliard. You can get them on Amazon. They're relatively inexpensive. I'll put the links below in the description, and it's a good option that ships directly to your house, worth looking into.